Welcome back, explorers. In this riveting exploration, we embark on a journey to uncover the captivating story behind one of the world's most iconic symbols of freedom, the Statue of Liberty. Join us for a tale filled with history, secrets, and the enduring spirit of liberty. Before we dive in, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more intriguing stories. Now, let's unravel the history and secrets of the Statue of Liberty. The origin. Our tale begins in the vibrant 19th century, a time when sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi envisioned a grand monument that would not only celebrate the centennial of the United States, but also embody the enduring spirit of liberty. Inspired by the principles of freedom and democracy, Bartholdi dreamt of creating a colossal statue that would stand as a symbol of hope and solidarity. Born in Colmar, France, Bartholdi was deeply moved by the idea of liberty and justice. His frequent travels to the United States fueled his passion for creating a gift that would transcend borders, a monumental sculpture that would greet immigrants arriving in New York Harbor with a powerful message of freedom. The collaboration with Gustave Eiffel, the famed engineer behind the Eiffel Tower, marked a pivotal moment in the statue's development. Together, they embarked on an ambitious endeavor to bring Bartholdi's vision to life, a statue that would not only capture the imagination of the world, but also endures as a testament to the enduring friendship between France and the United States. The collaboration between Bartholdi and renowned French engineer Gustave Eiffel brought forth the engineering marvel that is the Statue of Liberty. Eiffel, known for his later creation, the Eiffel Tower, engineered the innovative iron skeleton that supports Lady Liberty's copper exterior. The statue was then shipped across the Atlantic in 1885. Arriving in New York Harbor with much anticipation, Bartholdi's vision was ambitious. But to turn it into reality, he needed the expertise of an ingenious engineer. Enter Gustave Eiffel, the mastermind behind the Eiffel Tower, who lent his structural genius to Bartholdi's artistic dream. Together, Bartholdi and Eiffel designed an engineering marvel, a framework of iron trusses that would support the statue's copper skin. This was no small feat. The innovative approach not only provided structural integrity, but also allowed for the statue's immense size. Picture this: the statue, disassembled into hundreds of pieces, was shipped across the Atlantic to New York Harbor in 1885. The excitement was palpable as Lady Liberty's arrival marked a monumental moment in history. But, of course, no great achievement comes without its challenges. The construction of the statue faced financial constraints, requiring the collaborative effort of both French and American citizens to fund this beacon of freedom, the symbol of freedom. As the sun set on the New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty emerged as an unparalleled symbol of freedom, welcoming immigrants to the land of opportunity. With her torch held high and the broken chains at her feet, Lady Liberty stood as a beacon of hope and enlightenment. The statue, officially titled Liberty Enlightening the World, embodied the ideals of democracy, representing the triumph over oppression and the pursuit of a brighter future. Gifted to the United States by the people of France in 1886, the Statue of Liberty was not merely a physical structure, but a profound embodiment of shared values. Her presence at the entrance to the bustling New York Harbor served as a poignant reminder of the enduring friendship between two nations and the universal desire for liberty. Imagine the sight: thousands of hopeful eyes gazing up at Lady Liberty as their ships approached the harbor. For those arriving by sea, she was the first glimpse of the new world, a symbol of freedom and the promise of a better life. Lady Liberty's symbolism resonates far beyond the shores of America. Her torch has illuminated the path for countless individuals yearning for freedom and self-determination. Today, the Statue of Liberty stands not only as an enduring symbol of American values, but as a global icon of liberty, democracy, and the indomitable human spirit, the secret of the crown. Now, let's uncover a fascinating secret. The crown of the Statue of Liberty is not just an observation deck. It conceals a powerful symbol. The 7 rays represent the 7 continents and the 7 seas, signifying universal liberty. Join me on this virtual climb to the crown, where we'll explore the breathtaking views and hidden meanings within the intricately designed crown. As we ascend, the symbolism becomes more apparent. The 7 rays extend outward, embracing the diversity and unity of our world. It's not just an architectural feature, It's a profound representation of the global significance of freedom. Take a look at this incredible panorama. The crown not only offers unparalleled views of New York Harbor, but also serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of nations and the shared aspiration for liberty. Each ray tells a story of hope, resilience, and the universal pursuit of freedom that transcends borders. Did you know that the copper used in the crown came from the same French mine that supplied the copper for the Eiffel Tower? It's these intricate details that make the Statue of Liberty a treasure trove of symbolism and historical significance. So, as we stand here in the crown of Lady Liberty, take a moment to reflect on the powerful symbolism embedded in its design. The 7 rays remind us that liberty is a beacon that shines brightly for all, transcending differences and uniting us in our shared pursuit of freedom. The crown of the Statue of Liberty is not just an observation deck. It conceals a powerful symbol. The 7 rays represent the 7 continents and the 7 seas, signifying universal liberty. We'll climb to the top and explore the breathtaking views and hidden meanings within the crown. Stay with us as we continue to unveil the secrets and stories of the Statue of Liberty, restoration and preservation. As time marched forward, the Statue of Liberty, standing proudly in New York Harbor, faced the inevitable effects of weather, aging, and the passage of countless visitors in the 1980s. Recognizing the importance of preserving this iconic symbol, a monumental restoration effort was undertaken. The statue's copper exterior, which had developed its signature green patina over the years, required careful attention. Engineers and preservationists embarked on an extensive project to repair and reinforce the structure while maintaining its original appearance. The restoration, which included dismantling the entire statue for the first time since its arrival, revealed intricate details about Bartholdi's design and Eiffel's engineering. Copper sheets were replaced, the iron framework was reinforced, and the torch underwent significant repairs. It was a meticulous process that aimed not only to repair the wear and tear, but also to preserve the authenticity and historical integrity of Lady Liberty. Lady Liberty today, standing proudly in New York Harbor. The Statue of Liberty faces the ebb and flow of history. Today, it serves as a symbol of resilience, freedom, and the enduring spirit of democracy. Millions of visitors worldwide embark on a pilgrimage to witness this iconic monument, a testament to human dedication in preserving cultural heritage. And there you have it, the incredible history and secrets of the Statue of Liberty. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders that shape our world.